Alright, everyone. Now that we've seen the final version of the project, let's build the header component. At the top, we have a header that appears on every page. It includes a title on the left and navigation links on the right. So since this is used everywhere, we should place it inside the layout. Now first, we create a components folder inside src and then create a file called header.js. Inside this file, we define a simple React component called header. Now, we move to layout.js and import the header component. Then we place it above children. So it appears on every page. Now let's build the UI. Inside header, we create a container. On the left, we display student list. On the right, we add navigation links. For navigation, we use the link component from Next.js. First link goes to the home page with href/. Second link goes to the add student page. Now, let's style it using Bootstrap. We make the container display flex, so elements are aligned horizontally. Then we push the navigation to the right using margin auto. For responsiveness, we use flex column on small screens and flex row on medium screens and above. This way, on mobile, items stack vertically, and on desktop, they stay side by side. Next, we align items vertically to the center. Add some spacing and a bottom border to make it look clean. For the links, we remove underline, set the text color, and add spacing using margin and padding. Now, when we check the result, we have a clean header. Left side shows student list, right side shows navigation links. And since we added it to layout, it appears on every page. So the idea is simple. Reusable components go into a components folder, and shared UI like headers should be placed in layout.